Marcus, what are you doing? Hey, buddy.
Hey, look at Grandma.
Hi, buddy. You can't get enough of it. He's having so much fun. Yeah. Oh my God, he's getting his face in there. Don't drink it. Don't drink it. He'll learn to blow bubbles first. Why don't you come here and do it? Ooh. You're funny, Freddie. Marcus, are you having a good time? Huh? Oh, here he comes. Here he comes. He's swimming. He's got the idea of it, too.
His butt is floating. He got it.